Welcome back to the blog. Today I'm replacing brake pads. Decided to replacing brake pads because I'm upgrading the engine. I'm going for a stage 2. I'm getting tuned by M-Tune and the car is getting power. So I need to stop. This is the old brake pads right here. This is just regular, I believe, ceramic brake pads. They're still almost new. I mean, if you compare the new ones with the old ones, they almost new still. But these ones here are the Sport Stop Tech Sport Performance. It should be good for daily driving plus some light track, I believe. So it should help me stop a lot quicker. The only down thing is that I probably get more dust. I'm not sure if I will get any squeak sound, any sound, but as long as I got a good power brake for stop, I will deal with the dust. So that's why I'm replacing them. I already did the front, so I'm replacing the back now. I just unbolt the bolt back here, took the wheels off, unbolt this bolt, and then I just lift it up, and then I will replace the brake pad like that. That's the same thing I did on the front. But you see, the engine is getting upgrade. I'm getting tuned right now. I'm actually on revision number 7. So hopefully this tune will get done soon. But yeah, that's just an update how the sub is going. Getting ready for Boxer Fest. Getting ready for Boxer Fest. I already got the Garrett Cobb Jpipe, and I got the equal link headers 1320. The car sound amazing and it feels great. I'm hitting 20 pounds of boost right now, and the car moves pretty quick. So yeah, this is easy. It's easy, really easy task. So you don't need to take it to a shop to change the brake pad. You just do it yourself. Put in, put out, put in. That's it. So subscribe, leave a like. I will keep updating more content about the Subi, because it's more parts that are coming. So yeah, we're getting ready for Boxer Fest 2020. So be safe.